Hey, how's it going there, folks? Welcome back here to a Thursday. It is the Earthmaster out here, about 12:50 Central Time here in Kansas. That's where I'm at right now, Kansas. April 25th, 2024 is the date. Goodness, forget the days when you're traveling a lot. Latest earthquake activity still shows some movement out into the Southern California area here recently. Just off the San Diego Tijuana area, 2.6 from today, and also it looks like a 2.5 back there as well, hiding behind this one. That earthquake coming in yesterday, though. But over the last couple days, we've seen a handful of earthquakes out there. One 2.2 right smack dab on the going to be the Brawley seismic zone from today as well. So noticing a little increase here in earthquake activity into the southern portion of the state of California. Also 3.1 up here outside of the Smiths Ferry, Idaho area from early this morning. It looks like handful of earthquakes up into the Idaho area. Out here where I'm at, out in Texas and Oklahoma, Kansas area, couple twos out there in the typical oil fields. Also a 2.4 near El Morro, Colorado, coming in this morning. A little odd area. So a handful of earthquakes out here along the western portion of the states. Nothing out east. Got some threes coming in here out across the Puerto Rico area right now. Very close here to the Puerto Rico Trench. Couple threes. Got a 3.2 this morning and also a 3.3 coming in roughly back to back within minutes of each other. Across the rest of the globe here, got a 4.9 down across the South Sandwich Trench, way down there. And, of course, the active volcano there in the Iceland area continues. 4.1 way up here in the Poland area from this morning as well. Also, I seen another 4-pointer down around the Greece area. It looks like a 4.2 from yesterday, just off the play boundary. See what else we got going on out here. Typical movement, it looks like, around the Java Trench area. In Taiwan region, still seeing a handful of earthquakes, including a 5.1, which I believe is from yesterday. Trying to see if we got any earthquakes here today in the Taiwan area. It doesn't look like it. Most of that movement there from yesterday. A couple earthquakes down here across the Philippines region, and one 5.5 out there across the Kermadec Trench. Now the Poland area, let's see when this 4.1 came in. Yeah, about 11:48, just about an hour or so ago, into the Poland area. At about 6 kilometers deep. Kind of a larger one out. I mean, they can get bigger than that, but it's mostly been earthquake activity down here across the Mediterranean recently. But some movement going on up there across the Poland area for now. Just a 4-pointer. Let's see, the Alaska area, a couple threes up there across the Aleutian Trench, it looks like. 3.5 from today. About 20 miles deep or so for this area, underneath this region, I should say. And, well, let's check out the space weather activity, see if anything else is going on out here in terms of space weather events. These sunspots out here across the western limb are getting out there. Let me see if I can pull this image up. It's going to be this region out here. Way out there on the southwestern limb, starting to disappear off the visible disk. We're left with a whole lot of very small, fairly stable sunspots out here. So I'm not really expecting much from those sunspots that are facing the Earth right now. So overall threat right now still with that active region way out on the southwestern limb. 15% chance for an X flare. C flare at 99, M flare around 75% chance or so. But those are going to drop. Looks like we're seeing a little C-flare activity right now from those far side sunspots out there on the western limb. So I'm out here, out in the liberal Kansas area right now, and we are expecting some decent weather. I shouldn't say decent. Most people think nice, sunny, and beautiful, but we're expecting some severe weather to brew up out here with a decent chance for some tornado activity. So we're kind of watching that right now. This is the predictive radar for this area. The tornado threat is going to be up here a little bit around the Garden City area, but I'm starting to reconsider my location out here because the models are showing what looks like maybe some decent convection going on here at, let's see what time this is, roughly about 4:54 or so here in a couple hours. So we're just going to watch that, see what takes place out here. We got some big time severe weather threats across Oklahoma, Kansas, portions of Nebraska here over the next couple days. So make sure you guys stay weather aware, and I'll cover this. If we get something decent to pop up out here, then we'll go ahead and do a live stream on this activity. But we'll see what happens. A lot of people kind of watching this area up here. See that little hook echo? That could be a potential tornado outside of the, what is that?
Setanta?
Is that right? Setanta? I guess that's right. I had to
look
refer to Missy Mimi's here.
Had to look at it for a minute.
So we'll continue to watch that and see how this plays out here, folks. All right, have a good day. We'll catch you guys back out here with a complete update a little bit later on this evening once we get checked in here to our area, the room where we're staying. And have a good day. Stay safe out there.